Hello and welcome to another episode on YouTube on Abeku's channel where we talk about business, marketing and advertising. So on today's episode, we'll be discussing the various opportunities that you can use to gain at least $100 in USD or BUSD. Without much, we'll be going straight to Binance Africa, where if you are based in Ghana and you can take part in this largest of getting of being part of the 25 lucky people that will win $500. I'll be dropping the link in the comment in the description below so you have direct access. Note this is only applicable to those in Accra, Ghana, and you can read much more details about it on the description below. And the next one is how you can win crypto giveaway. I just claimed mine and I won a BUSD price which they've deposited instantly in my they've deposited instantly in my BUSD account on Binance platform. Now moving forward, so we don't need to spend much of our time. All you just need to do is use the box below and you can click to win yours as well. And note, if you use the Binance link below to register for your account, you would get at least $100 cashback that you can spend when you deposit $50. Yes, which is you're only spending $50 into your account. Binance is ready to fund your account 50% upfront for you to be able to get much more reward out of your crypto journey. So to the next one on our list, you can also deposit $10 and earn up to 40% in your crypto simple and business as well. This is as easy as straightforward, which is you just need to lock it either for 60 days to be able to get all of these benefits, which when you log into your Binance app, after you've downloaded using the link in the description below, you would be able to do this. Now let me tell you the strategy you can use for this. You deposit 50 and Binance give you an 100%, so which means you get more than enough and you can use half of that to buy BNB and you're looking for 60 days and just sit down relax while your money makes while your money works for you. Now this makes it very easy for you to um get passive income based on the current scenario now, whereby most of the African currency are really on a it's a general thing across the world anyway. It's not peculiar to the African markets, but this is a way you can hedge your currency from anywhere in the world to gain much more relevance in the markets. Now this is just what I have for you on how to make at least $100 on your Binance account today. So see you in my next video where we'll be sharing much more opportunities and rewarding concept that you can use to make money on your Binance app. Thank you very much.